kí gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ètò yìí. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run, ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi kò ní di. Èmi ni Lawal Ahmed Ayọ̀kúnlé, gẹ́gẹ́ bí tẹ́ ṣe mọ̀ mí sí Sidot. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ètò, níbi ètò tá a ti ń kọ́ra wa ní ẹ̀kọ́ bí a ṣe lè sin ọ̀sìn adìyẹ. Oṣìṣì náà la máa sọ ń bí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ìyẹn àgbà náà lè sọ ẹni níbi pẹlẹbẹ láti máa ń mú ọ̀lẹ jẹ, tó tó ń ṣe bí òwe ní àgbà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe sọ ní ètò kọjá, a sọ̀rọ̀ nípa brooding, introduction to brooding, and now we'll be talking, máa sọ̀rọ̀ ní lọ síwájú nípa ẹ̀. So a tún máa ní tó yẹ ká ṣe tí a bá fẹ́ ṣe brooding. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni pé kí ni à ń pè ní brooding gangan. Due to my own knowledge, I will call it artificial way of nursing chicks. Yes, be it broiler, cockerel, noilers, and other species of chicks. So wọ́n là ń pè ní brooding. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì àti sọ okay, òun ni things to put in place before bringing in your chicks. Number one, you have to have a brooding cage or brooding house. That's number one. Number two, get your wooden shavings, get it ready. Number three, brooding cage, we have to sanitize it. Disinfect it at least about maybe at first year, ready maybe 2 to 3 weeks before we bring in our chicks. Disinfect it, make the environment to be very, very clean. So like I've bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé tó bá ká adìyẹ ìbílẹ̀ lá ní, adìyẹ ìbílẹ̀ máa ń cover one heat to one generate. So you must look for things to generate heat. Only a degree, but as níbi báyìí àníná ó ní àwọn thermometer kan tó máa ń lò, tó máa ti gbé sínú ó máa generate heat. But ní Nàìjíríà bí bàtà wà yìí kò sí iná, so a máa ń lo coal pot. Ó ní bá ṣe máa ń ṣe, tá a máa ń construct tá a bá ti máa gbolo, ó ní bá ṣe máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ coal pot. Ó depend lórí bó bá ṣe tó, tó bá ṣe as in bí cage yẹn bá ṣe tóbi tó. But tó bá yẹ cage kékeré, tá a bá wá gbórí kékeré nínú ọba, so a dá èédú síbẹ̀ àti gbogbo. All these things must be in place. So then I gbọ́dọ̀ get, mo sọ láwọn ní the other video, adìyẹ tá a fẹ́ lò must come from a reliable source. We have Farmer, Satek, which one again, Agritech, so on. Be about 820 minutes, but a máa sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nípa breeze umbrella. We are not in that aspect now, later. So tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa yẹn, àbí tá bá ṣe ètò gbogbo yẹn tán, fine. Àwa mú òkèlókò ẹ̀ wọlé, a kó adìyẹ wa wọlé. Tá bá ti kó adìyẹ wa wọlé, ó ní two method tí wọ́n fi ń sin adìyẹ. They use inorganic and organic. So but we not talk about inorganic or organic, but I will just tell us maybe the common aspect of it tí à ń lò. So tẹ́ bá ti kó wọn wọlé, number one tẹ́ máa ṣe pé ẹ ti kó adìyẹ wọlé, it ti wà ń bẹ̀, ẹ get antibiotics. Before antibiotics, anti-stress, because if it doesn't pay bọ̀ yẹn, ẹ lo transport, wọ́n máa go through different wọ́n máa go through stress. So anti-stress or multivitamin. Tẹ́ bá anti-stress ẹ lo multivitamin, but èmi I prefer using antibiotics with multivitamin combine, or kí n antibiotics lọ́tọ̀, kí n multivitamin lọ́tọ̀, kí n combine it. And more like it, prefer it, and that's the method I'll be using. It work for me to tackle any germs or any diseases that is coming, or to build their immune system from the beginning. So that's how I like to do my things. Ní sọ́jú báyìí lọ, because tá bá get antibiotics, ológun tá máa fún wọn, vaccine wa gbọ́dọ̀ gbé Newcastle and gbogbo gbọ́dọ̀ gbé. Àmọ́ oúnjẹ tá gbọ́dọ̀ fún wọn, ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ oúnjẹ tó wáyé from a good company. Tó bá lè ká máa ṣe oúnjẹ fún àwa náà, combination wa gbọ́dọ̀ complete. If not, we have mortality rate, or we have problem along tá a bá ń san adìẹ wa lọ máa ní problem, but that is how it is, and building is very easy, just that it's somehow stressful, but tí a bá tí a bá ṣe létò ó yẹ ká ṣe, tá a follow àwọn precaution yẹn, you will enjoy it and you will be very happy. I do building a lot, and this year ten mark adìẹ tí mo ti build is more than 6. I build more than, as in 6 sets of beds, because mambo, turkey, chicken, I mean turkey, broiler, that's my noila, cock. Currently I have turkey, I have noila, I have layers. Yes, àwọn lọ mo ní àwọn tó yẹ kí wọ́n máa kú, wọ́n máa ní kí bá wọn máa book at the end, bóyá kí bá wọn book your best buy, kí bá wọn ṣe buy, and which I have been doing it, and I thank God they don't complain, and I do follow up. So àwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ni, tá a bá ti undergo precaution tó yẹ ká ṣe, everything will be in place. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́, bí ẹ ṣe ń wo fídíò yìí, mo mọ̀ kí ẹ̀ ń gbádùn wa, lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba, àìní mọ̀ ṣe Ọlọ́run ní kọ díẹ̀ sí ẹnì kankan wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá wa like fídíò yẹn, ẹ bá wa comment, ẹ bá wa share, and no one is perfect. Àwọn máa work on perfection. May God bless you all. Ire o.
Hello, greet everyone. Okay.